I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV, and I'm here in the Norton Saint-Gobain booth at IMTS, and I am with Aaron Hamlin, the 2014 bronze medalist for the USA Luge. Aaron, thank you for joining us. Tell us about your relationship with Norton Saint-Gobain.
So USA Luge has had a partnership with Norton Saint-Gobain for probably about 30 years, and since 2009 they've been our title sponsor, and they've supplied us with not only financial support as a title sponsor, but also product. So we've used their grinding wheels, all sorts of different abrasive products and technologies with manufacturing to help us build sleds and maintain sleds, which is what we race on, and they've helped us maintain a status as some of the fastest athletes in the world.
So what do you think of the advanced manufacturing that Norton Saint-Gobain has provided you? Do you think it gives you the competitive edge?
In the sport of luge, we're timed to the thousandth of a second, and in order to, stay at the top of our game and be competitive around the world, we have to keep up with the technology and different advancements that are made with all the different other teams. So being able to have Norton Saint-Gobain kind of in our corner has been super, super important for us to be able to get as fast as we can and, look at all the different areas with our sled that we can potentially make faster with different new technologies and different ways of making our sleds or maintaining them in order to, go faster and find all those thousandths of a second.
Do you have any words of encouragement or advice to students who are thinking about joining a career in manufacturing or any of the STEM-related areas?
My biggest piece of advice would be we need you. We need a younger generation to come on and replace all the workers and the good brains that have been behind making me win medals for the last 15 years. We need some new blood and everybody to come through. And it's really interesting with all the new technology and everything being, moving into the digital age. And there's stuff that's really interesting with robotics and with so much more than just, being on a manufacturing floor. It doesn't sound appealing, but it's so necessary to power the really cool things you see happen in the world, and it's really interesting. I'm kind of wishing I was exposed to more of it when I was younger because it's pretty cool. But yeah, we need you to make us go fast, so I would definitely give it a look.
You heard it first right here, ladies and gentlemen. Aaron Hamlin, 2014 bronze medalist, USA Luge.
So we have some cool products that we have put on display here. One of them which I would like to bring your attention to is the Vitron 7. This is mostly for external grinding of cam, crank and ID applications in the automotive industry and the bearing industry. It actually works very well in terms of giving at least 30% more life than regular products, regular CBN super abrasive products. And it also helps in reducing the overall power that it draws in the grinding process. So this is one of the products that we are showcasing today. Another one is again a super abrasive. We call it the Paradigm. It is a different bond system that we have developed. It's a metal bond system, porous metal bond system that has the ability to self-dress, also can be dressed easily. But it also grinds at a lower force and does a very good job in giving good results. It's usually used in the cutting tool industry. We have found it also works on very hard to grind material like the CMC that the aerospace industry uses or the gamma aluminum titanite. So there are multiple product lines that we have introduced that looks very good from a super abrasive standpoint. And we also have introduced for gear grinding a new product, a new range of products called Extremium. And this actually has multiple products for profile, for worm grinding. And we also have introduced dual grit specification that can do a rough and fine grinding in one single process, which helps the customers in reducing their overall cost as well as get the right finish in the right amount of time.
Great. And is there anything else that an attendee may see when they come to the Norton booth at IMTS?
Yeah, we also have a few things that we have put together. We have, we can actually have remote sensing capabilities with our customers. We work with them. We offer solutions. Our engineers work together with the customers to optimize their processes. And there are a few things at display here where we can showcase our remote sensing capabilities, the optimization of the processes at the customer's workplace, wherein the customer can get the best out of their process that they are currently using.
Great. Thank you so much, Rama. Be sure to visit the Norton Saint-Gobain booth. It's number 237042, or you can go to nortonabrasives.com. I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV. Thank you for watching.